Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys. We're doing a look at MAXR, and I'm focusing on this one because there's a lot of guys in our community who had a very good afternoon because of this lovely ticker. Let's see what she's going to do for the next little while. So, before we go any further, I should state that no one has any idea what it's going to do. We are going to react to some price levels, and we're going to look at what could possibly happen. And that's what technical analysis is all about. We're not making wild predictions. We're looking at possible outcomes, scenarios, getting ready for possibilities, and having a game plan in our back pocket for what could come next. We never want to be reacting, scared, confused, not knowing what we're going to do. We got a plan, and we're going to stick to it, and we're going to make good trades because we have that plan. That's what TA is all about. Sermon over. Let's take a look. We have a resistance at 905, and if this is not a bullish continuation candle, I don't know what is. Tiny bit of profit taking. We'll dig into the 5-minute time frame, see what that was all about. But look at that volume, look at that move, and we're nice and close to 905. That's going to be a key level for us. If we get over 905 on the daily time frame, no real resistance until we get up to 1292. Pretty substantial move. So a lot of good possibility there, and a lot of potential for fun. So let's drill through our time frames, see what our setups are, what we could possibly be concerned about. 4-hour time frame, getting near overbought conditions. We should expect a little bit of a pullback, and we should expect that to come tomorrow. And I'd like to see that happen before we test 905. The reason for that is it's going to give our time frame some time to cool off, let our RSI come down a little bit into maybe a happy 60 range. And that way, when we hit 905, we can really punch it, crack through it, and have some momentum and some ammunition behind us to sustain a move. If we hit that and our RSIs are already topped out at all the time frames, it's not likely we're going to go very far. So we want to have all that buying power behind us when we break a key level. That's why it's okay to see some pullback and some consolidation first thing in the morning. Hourly time frame, we're starting to see that happening a little bit here. Here's our little wick, a little bit of selling pressure, and then climbing back up. We want to stay in this range, and we want to see it develop into a nice equilibrium as we head into the morning. What I would like to see, and I see now in the 15-minute time frame, I don't think that EQ is possible, but I'd like to see us come up and test and get closer and allow time to go by before we punch through and potentially take down 905. That's what I want to see. No real red flags for me on the 15-minute time frame. We're cooling off nicely, getting right back up to 70 oversold. That's why we needed that time to cool off and for our RSI to get into a good spot. Should we not react well to 905, well, that means we got to go somewhere. Probably not going to go sideways. We're probably going to go to the downside. So 15-minute time frame. What are our support levels? Well, right now we got some aftermarket support here at 845. We'll see how important that is tomorrow. And then on the hourly time frame, not a lot of support until this flush down here at 818. So a couple levels to watch out for. We can consolidate nicely, and as long as we're still setting those hourly higher lows, things are going to be looking good. Now, 5-minute time frame. Let's take a look at what that chop was. There's that move. Quick end of the day. Lots of profit taking, lots of volume though, so new people are coming in, getting excited about it. It's not all selling pressure, and that's why so far we've been able to sustain this. So it's nice to see some profit taking here, but also buying to support it. So we're in a good position, I think, on MAXR. I'm excited. I don't have a position myself, but these are the things that I love to watch. I love to see these develop, and I wait for them to come to me. And if tomorrow everything is looking good and the chart is set up the way I want it to see it, and we crack 905 and our small intervals like the 15 hourly, 5-minute even, if those RSIs are in a good position, you can bet I'm going to be driving that buy, and I will be helping to push that price over 905. And congratulations to anyone else who managed to get in there. Hi, Julian. Good luck. That's it for me. ChartGuys.com. If you want to learn technical analysis, good.